So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about solving a specific issue. Now, the issue here is like on WhatsApp, whenever my friends send me any media files, be it photos, videos, or anything, it all of a sudden appears in my gallery. So I don't save it, I don't download it, but it appears here in my gallery. It picks up space on my phone, and therefore my storage doesn't get optimized the way it should be, because all these pictures and video files, they take up space in my phone. Now, I don't want that to happen. I don't want photos and videos and media files to get auto downloaded. Now what should I do? So here on WhatsApp, what I need to do here is I need to head towards settings. I go to settings, I go to storage, and inside storage I will see that there is media auto download. Now this is what I don't want to happen. I don't want media to get auto downloaded. What it says here is there are three options when using mobile data, when using Wi-Fi and roaming. The photos, audio, video, documents, they are all ticked, which means that they will all get downloaded. So anytime someone is sending me a photo or a video or a document or audio, they all get auto downloaded. I don't want that to happen, not only when I'm using mobile data, even when I'm using Wi-Fi. So I uncheck all of this. Likewise for roaming. Now when I do this, what I am telling WhatsApp in turn is that, hey, look, whenever I am using mobile data, or whenever I am connected on Wi-Fi, or whenever I am on roaming, I don't want any media of any type, be it photos, audios, videos, or document, to be auto downloaded. So I hope the message is pretty loud and clear here. I am requesting the app to not auto download any media file, and that's what happens. So just this few settings here, and one more thing that you can do is head towards chats and ensure that media visibility is selected to off, which means that any of the media which gets downloaded and ends up reflecting in your gallery will no longer be doing so. So, well, the most important thing that you needed to do is head towards storage and data and ensure that all the media auto download is switched to off. So hopefully this thing helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing. I mean, hopefully now anytime your friends send you some media files, they don't end up getting auto downloaded and end up being in your phone gallery. So if all this makes sense, and if you understand all of this, hopefully your WhatsApp doesn't end up eating your mobile storage on account of media files and the space they consume. So please do share this with your friends and family, and do let us know in the comment section whether all of this helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing, and also share this on social media with everyone that you know. So that should be all from my side. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.